Hi, thank you for joining me. Okay guys, so this is part 2 of cleaning the clutter from your mind. All of these kriyas are going to work on cleansing our subconscious belief systems, our patterns, and also purifying the blood. So the first thing we're going to do is hold our hands like we are making little quacks, like little ducks. We're going to bring our fingertips over top of each other. Remember to have a proper posture, so anal point in slightly, diaphragm up, and navel point to the spine. So we're going to circle our fingers in a forward motion. And on the 8th count, we're going to count to 8 to ourselves. On that 8th count, we're going to push our fingers up. And one very important thing about the posture is we're going to be sitting on our heels. So get onto your heels. The other really awesome thing about this kriya is we're going to be looking ahead. We're not going to be closing our eyes. We're going to be looking ahead at our fingertips, rotating. Here we go. Now close your eyes and continue the motion. Now begin breath of fire through the nose. You're continuing the motion with your hands, exactly the same thing. Now you're going to do breath of fire through the mouth, and you're going to continue the same motion with your hands. Now bring your hands down and relax. We're going to return to easy pose, so make sure you're in proper posture. Bring our fingers together, raise them over our heads, and like a pendulum, we're going to sway left and right, just like this. We're going to close our eyes and gaze at the third eye, breathing naturally through the nose, in and out through the nose. You don't want to go too far over to the left or the right. You should keep a 15-degree angle approximately on each side. And try to keep the hands up so that they're about 15 inches away from the crown of the head. Be sure to have a nice straight spine. Remember, you have the Kundalini Mulband lock, which is that very powerful lower quadrant. You want to be like a snake. At the base of the snake, that curve in the snake's back is extremely strong. It's the same with your lower quadrant. You want to keep your anal point, your creative chakra or sex chakra, the second chakra, and the third chakra up, the navel point chakra, engaged. It's a nice little ab workout. Good, and relax your hands down and come back into easy pose, Gyan Mudra meditation pose. Eyes closed, gazing at the third eye, but with your focus on the tip of the nose. to open your heart. Be sure that your shoulder blades are just resting deeply down on your back, and you have the tip of the tongue on the roof of your mouth. And slowly open your eyes. So I hope you feel more clarity and you feel better. And please share with a friend or a family member. Leave a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, do so today. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now.